Welcome to ParkEase app. If you manage residential or commercial properties, you know that parking is often the biggest source of friction. ParkEase is the centralized operating system designed to turn that chaos into control. From this single dashboard, you can navigate between organizations, properties, and specific parking management tools. Let's start with your portfolio. Whether you manage one building or 50, ParkEase gives you a clear list of all your assets. Here, we are selecting Brooklyn Garden Apartments. Notice how clean the interface is, designed for property managers who need quick access to information without digging through paperwork. Once inside a property, you get immediate God view visibility. You can see emergency contacts, the total number of apartments, and most importantly, the real-time status of your parking slots. The color-coded system tells you instantly which spots are free, which are rented, and which are occupied by guests. Now let's solve the most common complaint, visitor parking. With ParkEase, your team doesn't need to get involved. Tenants reserve spots directly from their own ParkEase account. They simply log in, select an available guest slot, like G101 here, and register their visitor. This empowers residents and frees your staff from managing daily passes. The system ensures accountability. The tenant uploads a photo of the vehicle, enters the guest's name, and logs the details. Watch how a resident would register this Toyota Corolla. By recording the license plate and model, we ensure that security always knows exactly who belongs in that spot, maintaining a safe environment for everyone. Time limits are crucial. The tenant sets the duration for the visit. Once the time is up, the system doesn't just guess, it tracks it. When a parking session concludes, you receive a notification instantly. We don't automate penalties, we simply keep you informed so you know exactly when a guest spot should be free again. Setting up a new building. We know entering units one by one is tedious. That's why we built our bulk creation tool. You simply define a range, say from unit 1 to 9, and the system generates all the apartments and parking slots automatically. This allows you to onboard a massive complex in just a few minutes. Back in the guest parking overview, you have a live feed of all active visitors. You can see who is currently parked, and more importantly, who has expired. This list is your primary tool to monitor usage and ensure that guest spots are being rotated fairly among all residents. ParkEase isn't just for you, it's for your entire workforce. In the team management section, you can see everyone with access to the building's data. From head managers to superintendents, everyone is connected. You can see their contact info and roles at a glance. This is perhaps our most powerful security feature, the license plate search. Imagine there is a car blocking a driveway. Your security guard simply types the plate number, like NYRS1011, and the system instantly reveals the owner, the vehicle model, and their assigned spot. It turns an unknown threat into a known tenant in seconds. Managing your staff permissions is just as easy. You can filter your team by role to see who is handling what. Need to add a new security guard or a leasing agent? Just click Invite, select their role, like security or realtor, and send the code. Each role has specific permissions, ensuring data privacy across your organization. For long-term usage, the Parking Rentals tab gives you a summary of all assigned spaces. You can see start and end dates for every lease. This is vital for leasing offices to ensure that when a tenant moves out, the parking spot is immediately released back into the inventory for the next resident. Ready to experience the difference? Start your 30-day free trial today. We ask for a credit card solely to verify your identity and ensure a secure environment for all users. Rest assured, your data is safe and you won't be charged during the trial. You can cancel at any time. Join ParkEase and transform your parking management today.